What's up guys? On today's episode of Just the Tip, we have a little bit of motivation for you. So I was having a conversation with this more experienced director. I was telling him about how I'm at this point where I'm making good stuff, but I recognize that it's just missing that extra special something the super awesome DPs are creating. I'm always just missing something. I'm always just one step short. I don't know what that is and I don't know how to get there. And he told me to watch a video called The Gap by Ira Glass. So I'm gonna put the link to that in the description below and watch it. It will change your life if you're a beginner in this industry or any creative field in general, or yeah, just watch it. All of us in the creative field got into what we're doing because we have good taste. We're at a point where we're constantly making stuff and we're making stuff all the time, but it's just always falling short of our expectations. Basically, a lot of us are at the point where we feel we want to stop, but it's at this point where most people will stop. So it's so crucial to be at this point and continue to keep going, because it's going to take years and years to get to the point where you're making that special stuff that you think is awesome. Go watch it, check it out. That was today's Just the Tip.